hello everyone. This is for those who are born in the month of July. First of all, a very happy birthday to you all, and may this year be a blessed year for you, and may you all be blessed with loads of happiness, abundance, good health, and whatever that is that you desire, all your wishes come true. So I thought, why not, start the message as how the year is going to be for that month born, because I tried zodiacs and somewhere I felt okay, now let's work with months. So now if you're July born, then how is the year going to be for you? Now when I'm saying the year, I'm talking from July to the coming July, because again you all should not have that doubt whether it's only for 2021. No, it's from this July to the next July. So the first card which has come is the Nine of Wands. Now here, if you see, this is my steampunk cards, one of my favorite cards. Again, in that ways all my cards are very favorite cards. So because you might be finding me saying every card is favorite. Now this is the Nine of Wands. Here the person, if you see, he has a binoculars and looking out, and in one hand he has fire. So I feel that it's a beautiful way of comprising this card, is that you will have to be on a watch out for opportunities that will come your way. And I feel there's a lot of good opportunities which will come your way, and things will change. Things will be better in terms of money, in terms of career, mainly basically in terms of career. And keep looking out, maybe some good opportunities coming. Because I said opportunities, maybe that's why the next card which has come is the Ace of Wands. So I think somewhere what I'm saying is correct. Now this is your Ace of Wands. Now when you see this card nicely, it is basically a person holding on to his success, and the white candles around, again divine's blessings. So maybe these cards are mainly talking that this year career is going to bloom. If you're in business, business is also going to bloom. So the next card is again a beautiful work card. Now if you see this card, I love the steampunk cards world card, because it shows the 4 elements around the card. So maybe the universe is also hell bent on giving you success this time and happiness this time, and the world is yours. So go ahead and win the world, I would say. Now let's come to how your finances is going to be. Okay, let's work with the finances, because financially we need to work beautifully. Okay, so I'm going to pick 2 cards here. Okay, now this card which came is basically cooperation instead of competition. So I feel you need to work as a team, you need to work with others. Now if you have a partner, then understand one thing, that you have to work with him or work as a team, and abundance will come for you only when you're ready to share the abundance with others. So share the abundance. Yes, though the second card which has come is pay yourself first. Maybe as I'm saying this card, many of you must be thinking that I've always shared with others and I have never got what I need to get. Whenever you get paid, keep a small set of money separately for you, which is for you, which makes you happy, what makes you feel that okay, let me buy this thing this month, or let me save the money this month. Whatever makes you happy, you work on that. But at the same time, even believe in sharing. I would say one thing here, I don't know, I'm just feeling guided to say, so I'm saying this. Do a small donation this time on your birthday to old age home, specifically for old age home. I don't know why I'm getting guided to say this, so I'm saying this. So give something as a donation part, preferably if you can send in some food which you're making or someone is making at home on your birthday to an old age home. I feel I should pick just one more card, so I'm just going ahead with it and picking it for you guys. Okay, have courage and ask for and accept help. So if you have been wanting to ask help to someone, then the time has come that you need to ask help, and you will get the help, because the divine is ready to help you if you are ready to help yourself. So what is my purpose this year? Okay, because I have actually taken out a lot of cards and kept today to do a July reading. Maybe I was very excited that this is the first month I'm going to do readings for July people. And if you, yes, before I forget, if you really feel the July month has worked the way I'm saying, then you need to, the year is working for you, or your July is starting the way I'm saying certain things which I'm saying, then you do share and subscribe this also to your other friends who are July born, so that they'll also benefit. So now coming back to your purpose this year, what is your purpose? Hmm. Wow, this is a good card. Career change. So maybe you, as I said, if you see everything related to your this year came for career first from the steampunk cards. So career change. So maybe there's a lot of good things coming. Now this career change I feel will bring in happiness, will bring in joy, because the card has an angel on top here. So I feel this card will bring in happiness and joy and will help you in what you deserve. Okay, so yes, see, that's an affirmation, that flowers. So flowers is more like, it makes your heart happy, it makes you fall in love with yourself, and it makes you receive the blessings of the universe. So career change is there. So those who get a better job, a good appraisal, then don't forget me, let me know, I would be happy. So now I want to bring in one more card here as to what is your soul teaching you this birthday or this year. What is it that your soul is asking you to do? Okay, be enthusiastic. Maybe you have felt the past year from your last birthday not good and not up to your mark. So now the card says be enthusiastic, because maybe the coming year is going to be beautiful and you are going to really soak the success. Because I see this card where the bird is looking at the sun. So somewhere there's a lot of success and brightness which is coming. So let me pick up one more card from here. Be strong. It's a beautiful card. See again, be strong. And if you see this person, he's holding the world in his hand. So the world is in your hand. So you just need to, be confident that things are going to change, and you just need to think that yes, now my time has come and everything is going to be fine. So I thought I would be ending the session with this, but I want to give you all a special message from my magic man. So I thought I will take out his cards, the Wisdom of the Avalon cards, and let's see what my awesome wizard wants to tell you all. I'm incomplete without my Shirdi Sai and without my wizard. But now that Shirdi Sai, every week I'm giving you all messages, so I thought, okay, let's work with the Merlin man. Okay, now here the card which has come is burden. I feel let go of your burden. I feel he's saying let go of your burden. I am there, and I'm always there to help you, and just call on me and work on me. I would suggest those who are July born to just speak to him, write a letter to him, and maybe throw the ashes in the universe, and somewhere you will get what you feel is your destiny. Because I always love working with him. I'm just, as I'm talking to you, I'm seeing the cards because I just love seeing the cards also, because these are, again, yeah, I know all cards are my favorite cards, but I just love working with him. But yes, now coming back to the thing, let go of your burdens, work with him, be happy that this year, from this July till the next July, is yours. You're going to get whatever you desire, be it happiness, be it health, be it good luck, be it money, everything is yours. So again, once again, I end the video with have a blessed birthday, have a blessed year ahead. May God bless you with loads of happiness, success, and may all your wishes come true. And take care, all of you all, and thank you. I shall come back again with the month of August. Thank you.